What's going on, everybody? Crazy Monkey Crypto here. Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be taking a timely look at Kaspa and KRC-20, a brief look at what it is and what the current transaction fees are on Kaspa, and how the profitability right now is just sky high. So real quick, you guys might be thinking like, hey, the RC20 sounds familiar. You probably remember it from ERC or ERC20 from Ethereum. So it's basically just a standardization on a blockchain that then allows for smart contracts, I believe. You know, I'm not a DeFi expert, but so it allows for a wide range of applications from DeFi to gaming and beyond. Each token follows a specific set of rules, ensuring interoperability and reliability within Kaspa ecosystem. Now, if you're a miner, what you really care about is, okay, so this is driving increased traffic to the network. What are my profits looking like? So let's look. The block reward typically is 87.31 Kaspa, with the next reduction set to take place in about 3 weeks. And just a note, it is September 15th. So let's look at the recent transactions. So we have some of these like 2,000. Now this is going to go really fast. We have multiple in the hundreds. We have multiple in the thousands, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now these are the latest. I just saw one for 64,000 too. It's just, I mean, it's just insane. Now, if you're getting paid out these transaction fees, say it's even 1,000, you know, Kaspa. Whoops. It's $173 in transaction fees. That if you found that block, if you were solo mining, you get to keep all $173 or 1,000 Kaspa from that. Now, this is huge. You don't necessarily see the price reflecting that. That could be like the buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. But so the overall price isn't reflecting it. But so what's happening with the miners? Now, at 10 cents per kilowatt hour, let's take a look at the KS5 Pro. So this is kind of the biggest, the greatest, the best Kaspa Miner. Now, we saw it peak at a little over $100 in June. But you guys can see, I don't think that ever was actually negative. You guys can see 2 days ago it was $17 profit, which still is nothing to scoff at. Very, very good. But right now, I mean, it's in the hundreds of dollars a daily profit. Anywhere from, this says 174. If we go back, this says 113. Probably will keep dropping as people stop, minting and transacting on Kaspa for the moment. But you guys can see, if you have a Kaspa miner, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but it might be worth taking a look at turning it on. If we search for Kaspa here, I believe pretty much every single Kaspa miner is doing really, really well. Even these KA boxes. Even the original KS0, which, let's take a quick look at this. It says not been profitable for almost a month. You've been in the negative if you're mining. And now you're making 67 cents. No, it's not going to make you rich if you have an OG KS0. But if you have a Kaspa miner, why not turn it on? While these profits are crazy, why not? Maybe even try it. Look at 8,882. It's over $1,500 in Kaspa in transaction fees. I mean, it's just blowing my mind right now. It reminds me a lot of the Bitcoin halving when there were tons of transactions and people were getting like crazy high Bitcoin block rewards. So just wanted to get this timely video out to you guys because it did launch. As I said, it's September 15th. It launched this morning. I do not expect the profits to stay. For this KS5 Pro, I don't expect it to stay in the over $100 a day. I expect it probably to do a continual drop down until we're maybe at like $30, $40 a day if KRC-20 really kind of takes hold. If not, it probably will drop right back down to where it was. But if it really explodes, and you know everyone's loving KRC-20, it's the next biggest thing, we could see Kaspa profits stay quite high, which could be really good overall for everybody in the crypto markets. So if you appreciate the video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you're mining Kaspa, if you hit one of those crazy blocks, let me know. That'd be super cool. Super cool. And then consider hitting that subscribe button. It's no cost to you. It just helps push the video out to more and more people. It helps let me know that you guys appreciate the content. So with that, I'm signing off. Peace out. Smash blocks.